And alright folk, so this is what I've been working on today, is this right here. I didn't like how, I discovered I did not like the setup when I did the road trip. So basically what's happening here is you got the top, and like I was saying, the dressers I have in there are going to go on top of here. I measured it, and hopefully I measured it correctly. And they're going to be going up here, and then down here, like, I can slide right there. I can slide the cooler in there. If and or when I get a generator, I can slide that there. I still have room over here. So anyways, that'll provide much more room, open some stuff up. So just hoping I measured everything right and did everything right. So, all right, but I'm gonna get it in there and show you afterwards. So later, folk. And all right, folk. So basically, a large portion of the time that I have been making this thing for the vanitarium, this bird has been squawking the entire time. Just sitting there squawking. I do not know what its problem is, but it is yelling at someone. So later, folk. All right, folk, and here it is all done. I got the drawers up on top of it now. So instead of the cooler sitting, they used to sit way over here, it's all the way back there now. I'll be able to, you got to pardon all this is all going to be gone. You know, some of it's going to remain until I get something else to put there for a more permanent, but a lot of that's going to be gone. I have this big thing sitting right in front of it as well. That's going to be gone. And but anyways, it's definitely coming around, and it's definitely much better the way it is now than when I had it on the road trip. I did not like how it was on the road trip. It was not working for me. This is going to help out big time. I am also gonna, like I said, it's in there, it's done. A couple more things I wanted to do to it, and actually it's working out that I didn't do it. I was going to put sides on here, and I'm actually glad I didn't, because I can get to that pocket on the back seat of the chair easy, and also more things could be stacked there and put there. So I'm actually glad I didn't do that. I didn't put a board on the bottom because I wanted everything to be able to slide easy peasy in and out. I got more stuff in the back, keeping it more sturdy. This thing doesn't move at all. I do have the bungee cord there. I am going to make it far more secure than it is right now, and I have to find one for that for later, so I don't have things falling off as I'm driving. But anyway, so far so good. I'm enjoying it, and I got that. I got all this crap on the bed I've got to move and clean, so we're almost there, and I'll get back to you a bit later. All right, later, folk. All right, folk. Was about to take off and go and park for the night, but you got the coffee made in here, and Ricky here, he just got out of work, and he pulled up. I saw Ricky, I'm like, well, let me wait a second, see how he's doing. So he came and hung out. Coffee Maiden's still here, and speaking of, she made some meatloaf. So that's going to be my dinner tonight, is meatloaf. Ugh. And boom, look at all this new stuff in the back. Yay! I really like it. It came out excellent. The measuring I did this way, spot on. There's a little spots where it's not completely professionally even, but nonetheless it came out excellent. I'm extremely happy with it, and it's going to work awesome. But I gotta, don't go messing with them babies. Gotta yell at somebody who's looking at the bird's nest for the babies. But anyways, yeah, I don't know, I may even just sit here and park at the freak in town today and not even go out in the woods. I may just park here. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyways, wanted to hit you guys up, say what's going on, and I'm really happy. Got this done today. Now all I gotta do is get it clean and situated, get everything organized. I'll be really happy with it. And I'm just gonna hang here for a bit and see whether I stay here or go out in the woods. But anyways, don't forget, until next time, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.